Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can make a calendar in Notion. So for this tutorial we're going to use a pre-built Notion template to create a calendar in Notion. So simply go to your Notion and from the left panel go to template, and in templates search for calendar. So guys, once you search for calendar you will get a bunch of templates, but you have to search for this one that says my calendar and click on it and click add to my workspace, and then select your workspace in which you want to create the calendar. And guys, as you can see, a calendar has been added into our workspace and we get a calendar, and when we can do scheduling if we like, we can add activities, but basically what we wanted was a calendar and we get a calendar in Notion. So this is how you can create a calendar in Notion using a pre-built template. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thanks for watching.